My tooth hurts so much. I made a big mistake.
Don't worry, Henry. I am here to help you now.
It all started 3 days ago. Henry, slow down. Don't eat so fast. Sorry, Mom. This popcorn is so good. Ouch. Something is stuck between my teeth. What is it, Henry? I think it's a popcorn piece. It's stuck really deep. I can fix this myself. I don't need help. Henry, that doesn't look safe. Don't worry, Lily. I know what I'm doing. A toothpick. Perfect. This will work. Mom said toothpicks can hurt your gums. It's just this one time. It will be fine. Ow. That really hurt. Henry, your gum is bleeding a little. It's okay. I'm okay. Let's just watch TV. Henry, are you feeling all right? You look pale.
I'm fine, Mom. Just a little tired.
Remember when you tried to fix the broken lamp yourself? Don't remind me. That was a disaster too. You always want to fix everything alone. Maybe you're right. My cheek hurts so much. Henry? Henry, what's wrong? Mom! Dad! Come quickly! Something is wrong with Henry!
Henry, what happened? Your cheek is so swollen. I
tried to remove something stuck in my tooth.
with a toothpick.
Henry, why didn't you tell us?
I didn't want you to worry. I thought I could fix it myself.
Hold on, Henry. We're going to the emergency dentist right now.
It hurts so much, Dad.
Stay calm, sweetheart. We're almost there.
Hello, Henry. Let's take a good look at your tooth.
I'm scared it's really bad.
You did the right thing coming here. Let me check carefully.
I see. There's still a small piece stuck deep between your teeth, and your gum got hurt trying to remove it.
I made it so much worse, didn't I?
It's okay, Henry. Many kids try to fix this alone. Now we can help you properly.
I'm going to clean this carefully and treat your gum. It won't hurt much longer.
Thank you for helping me.
That's my job. You were very brave.
My mouth feels so much better now. I'm so glad you're okay, Henry.
Next time, please tell us right away.
I learned something important today. What did you learn? When something feels wrong, I should tell an adult, not try to fix it myself.
That's exactly right, Henry. Small problems can become big problems if we hide them.
I promise I'll always ask for help next time.
We're proud of you for learning that lesson.
Remember Tache. If something feels wrong, always tell someone you trust. Don't try to fix everything alone.
Oh no! Daniel! Daniel, come here, quickly!
What's wrong? Grace, are you okay?
I think the baby is coming.
What? Tonight? But the due date is next week.
Babies don't always wait for the calendar, Daniel.
Leo, Did you hear that? Is the baby really coming? I don't know. Mom looks worried. Dad looks worried too. Then I am a little worried too.
Okay, stay calm. The hospital bag. Where is the hospital bag?
You packed it last week, Daniel. It's by the front door.
Right, I knew that.
Dad, your shoes are on the wrong feet. Mommy, does it feel hard right now?
A little bit, sweetheart. But it means your baby brother or sister is almost here.
Brother or sister? We still don't know which one?
Nope. Tonight we find out. That's the exciting part. Breathe, Grace, just like we practiced.
In.
In and out.
I am breathing. You breathe too. You look more nervous than me.
Leo, look. Dad's hands are shaking on the wheel.
Come on, turn green.
Daniel, calm down. We have time.
I know. I just want everyone safe.
Thank you so much.
Kids, stay close to me.
Are you the Miller family? We got your call. Right this way, ma'am.
Don't worry, little ones. Babies take their own time to say hello to the world.
I hope it's a girl. Then I have a sister. I hope it's a boy. Then I have a brother. We can't both be right, Leo.
Then we will love the baby either way.
Yes, either way.
You are making me tired just watching you.
Mr. Miller? Congratulations. Your wife is doing very well.
Is the baby here? Is it a boy or a girl? Come and see for yourself.
Come meet your new sister, kids.
Look at her little face. She looks just like you, Zoe, when you were born.
A sister! I knew it!
She's so small. Her hands are so tiny. Say hello to baby Lily.
Hello, Lily. I'm your big sister. I will teach you everything. I will teach her to play soccer.
One thing at a time, Leo. Let her sleep first.
Tonight was scary, but it was also the best night of my life.
Big changes can feel frightening at first, but when family stays close, a scary night can become a beautiful memory.
I'm not scared anymore. I'm just happy.
Me too. Welcome, Lily. Home is next.